Hey guys, Marian here with PhoneArena. It's a beautiful evening here in Sofia, Bulgaria, and today we're checking out the Asus ZenFone 7 Pro. It's almost dusk now, fairly low light conditions. We're shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. The OIS is on, the optical image stabilization. No in-video switching between the cameras though. We're gonna walk a bit through this gorgeous rose garden here. The OIS is doing a great job keeping the image steady. We're gonna walk right here to this pond, and I guess we'll end up here.